What is going on, guys? And today I want to share with you the project that I've been working for 5 years. A little exaggeration because this project were done for past couple days. I don't know, I spent like 10 hours probably on it, might be less because there was a lot of videos. But those videos for past 5 years, pretty much for entirety of my channel. So basically this is the recap of the cars that I've been working on for past 5 years and the cars I own. You know, I really love an idea of buying a car, fixing up a little, clean it up and reselling it. And meanwhile, enjoying the ride, test driving it, feel it how it is. 335 versus 28 and 52 and 54 Porsche, M3, X5, SUVs. I don't know, there's thousands of cars that every single person wanted to drive it at least once in their lifespan. And I decided to do it this way. I can keep the car for as long as I want, not lose any money on it and resell it. I know sometimes there are coincidence that happens with the car, like M3 had a scratch cylinder or Z4 had a problem with the turbos. In any case, sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. This is the life. But I don't know. I love combining YouTube, cars, and my experience, my enjoyment to work with the cars. This is more like a hobby, nothing professional or special that I do for a living. And this is kind of the things that I've been doing for the past 5 years. So I decided to post the video about it. It's not perfect in any way. It's just a lazy edit and cutting just pieces of video to the music. And in some spots, just an interesting intro that I personally think that it's nice. Because there's a lot of information, especially if you're driving BMW, you might gonna find something interesting for yourself. Because there's a lot of fixes and there's a lot of links to the videos. So hope you guys will enjoy and I'll see you in the future. of the best cars that I ever